Hello, guys. This is from Mrs. Abby. Did you know that it's very important to have your Dracaena varieties potted in the right type of pots? Want to know what type pots are best for most of your Dracaena varieties? I will tell you in a little while. But before I do, will you take out a little time and subscribe and hit the notification bell? In today's video, I will share with you the importance of using plastic pots to repot your plants instead of other pots like ceramic pots, and I will show you how to put drainage holes in pots. Today's video is the 6th episode of the series called Dracaena Types and Care Tips. Making a drainage hole in a pot is very easy to do. Although I have a lot of old plastic pots, they were not the right size I needed to repot a few of my plants. I had about 4 plastic pots and they didn't come with drainage holes, but they were the right size I needed. So I asked my husband to create drainage holes in the pots. Although my hubby has a drill, he wanted to show that there are methods you can use that don't require a drill. Deciding whether to use plastic pots to repot your plants should depend on what type of plants needs repotting and whether you overwater or underwater your plants. Plastic pots are very good for plants that require constant dampness, such as some Dracaena type plants. All of my Dracaena plants are potted in plastic pots, except for the ones that I did an arrangement. Plastic pots don't dry out as fast as other types of pots, such as ceramics. So if you think you will forget to water your plants, then consider potting all your plants in plastic pots. I'm not saying that you won't have to water your plants that are in plastic pots. You will need to water your plants no matter what material your pots are made from. You see, I have a lot of plastic pots I use to repot. They are my favorite pots to repot most of my plants in. Now let's get started with putting some holes in some pots. Again, all the pots in this video are plastic, so this method is being used on plastic pots only. Also note that I would never do this method to put holes in my plastic pots, but this is the way my hubby does it. I'm afraid I would injure my hands, so that's why I won't do this method. I'm only sharing this just to let you know that even if you don't have a drill, you can use other tools to put holes in your plastic pots before repotting. If you know some other methods to put holes in pots, let me know in the comment section. Here's what you would need to do this method of creating a drainage hole for pots. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. Plastic pots. So here's my hubby making a hole in a pot without a drill. Please be careful not to stick the Phillips screwdriver in your hand while pushing it through the plastic pot. Watch where my husband is placing his hand before trying this. The Phillips screwdriver has a sharp point with 4 grooves on the point, and it can stick your hand and injure you. So please practice safety while putting a drainage hole through plastic and any other planter pot. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.